Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is April the 13th, 2020. We're going to give all a price prediction update into the market for Bitcoin Cash. You guys can see we did a price prediction into the market right there around March 25th, 2021. And as obviously you can tell, it didn't go the way we expected it to go. And we're going to talk about that breakdown as to how we would have known right before the market trading around $700 in Bitcoin Cash. At what point will we have realized that our prediction was wrong and that we would needed to switch sides and actually expect the market to go higher in price? And then on top of that, we're going to leave you all with that updated price prediction for Bitcoin Cash. So if today is your first time ever viewing our content and y'all appreciate it, like I say all the time, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to this channel. Also continually return to our channel because you're not going to get any updated price predictions. You're not going to be in the know unless you continually come back and watch our videos. Okay, so make sure you do all of that there. So real quick, let's break down how we would have known that our price prediction that we did for Bitcoin Cash on the 25th of March, that it was wrong. Let's see at what point will we have realized that the market in Bitcoin Cash did not go the way we expected it to go, because you can see that we was following the market in Bitcoin Cash on a downtrend, correct? The trap was actually following this downtrend line. So as we follow the market lower in price in Bitcoin Cash, at what point did we break that line? Exactly. Right here on March 29, 2021 was when the market in Bitcoin Cash actually changed its mind. On that particular day, the market in Bitcoin Cash changed from moving lower in price to transitioning over into trading sideways for a spat, and then we saw the resumption to higher prices. It was on that day to where we would have had to get out our prediction and move the next direction, move the opposite way, because that is where we would have minimized our losses. It's because the trend actually broke on that particular day. So if we were to get out on that day, it would have been about 10.03% loss, rather than seeing a loss if we were to get out today of about 50% right there. See, these are opportunities for you to realize and cut in losses when you need to, and when you need to continue to hold on to your profits. It's because the market continues to speak to us. Ray Dalio always used to state that prices equals the consensus of the market. So wherever price is, it's the consensus of all those who are involved in the market. They are agreeing to where that price needs to be. And for today, the market is agreeing that Bitcoin Cash needs to be around $710. That is where the market is in agreement. That is where the buyers and the sellers are agreeing to pay for Bitcoin Cash, or even sell their Bitcoin Cash to the next market. So this is how you're able to determine whether or not your prediction is still on track or it is not going to go the way that you really expected. And we didn't get this one right. You know, this prediction that we garnered for Bitcoin Cash on March the 25th did not go the way we expected it to go. And it happens. And this won't be the last time that our predictions will not be correct. But for more often than not, learning how to read the markets will be very beneficial for you. Okay. So only thing that I'm going to do really is change the outlook of what the market has done in Bitcoin Cash. So rather than seeing the market hitting a downtrend, I'm going to take that downtrend line that I had and I'm going to make it to a restriction, because right here is where the market in Bitcoin Cash could not break above. So that is going to be the next restriction point. And looking at how strong the market is in Bitcoin Cash, the expectation is still there. So now we are seeing the market in Bitcoin Cash in a massive uptrend, and it doesn't look like it's ready to stop yet. The market in Bitcoin Cash is still showing us a lot of strength. I like what's going on the 3-day time frame. Looking at Bitcoin Cash on a 2-day time frame, I'm still seeing that the market wants to go higher in price. I just want to pinpoint your attention and show you that this area right here needs to be watched. Okay, we're actually coming back to an area in Bitcoin Cash that we've seen the influx or the reduction of demand that brought back down the price of Bitcoin Cash, right? We saw that there. We're about to embark on that again. So definitely we need to keep our eyes focused on into the market for that to occur. But generally, like I told you all earlier, I don't see a lot of indication that the market here in Bitcoin Cash is weak. We're still going to play some strength into the market. The trend is still entrenched. The market is still euphoric about seeing the value of Bitcoin Cash increase in price. It's just that simple. It is just that easy. It doesn't require us trying to read hundreds of articles, trying to gauge what's going to be the next hottest thing that Bitcoin Cash is trying to embark on, or is trying to accomplish. It is already listed on the price chart. And from these varying time frames, the market here is definitely giving us a lot of strength. And here on the 3 weeks time frame, I just want to preface your mind as to what I'm expecting the market in Bitcoin Cash to do. Okay, so looking at this on a 3 weeks time frame, you guys can see we still have 5 days and 14 hours left in the market in Bitcoin Cash. Now, generally, from what we have on the 3 week price bar, I'm definitely looking for the market strength in Bitcoin Cash to continue, right? This is what I'm seeing. We have 5 days and 14 hours left though, so a lot can change in the next 5 days and 14 hours. But basically, what I'm seeing on the 3 week price bar is that the market in Bitcoin Cash has a lot of room to grow, at least to come up towards $1,000 per Bitcoin Cash. It might fall a little bit lower towards $950, but we're at $709 right now. So there's still a lot of leg room in the market for Bitcoin Cash to continue to see higher price movement. And that's just a starting point. Okay. If the overall cryptocurrency space maintains its market bullishness, then it's going to be $1,200 or $1,145 as that area of support or restriction, excuse me. But we can actually foretell that. We can see that already on the price chart. We can anticipate that to occur. Okay. So just want to put that on your radar as well. We're going to be one of the first ones to give you all a heads up as to what is actually anticipated to go on into the market for Bitcoin Cash. So let's do this. We're going to continue to play the strength into the market. And we're going to have some restriction around $745, which is not much, but we're going to extend it up there to that particular level. And as I've shown you on the 3 weeks time frame, that is not going to be a problem in the long term for Bitcoin Cash to accomplish. Okay. And I'm going to bring this area of support up there around $650. And that's it. Okay. That is it right there in the market for Bitcoin Cash. So this is our updated price prediction into the market for Bitcoin Cash. Trying to get this line straight to where the market currently is, and it's right there. And that's it. We're in position. Now I want you all to tell me, I want you all to call the market right alongside with us. Okay, tell me where you expect Bitcoin Cash to go over the next 3 weeks. Right? Tell me where will price be in the next 3 weeks for Bitcoin Cash. Drop the comment in the comment section below. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.